Today, I'm going to show you how to install DLC on Steam the right way so you can start using extra game content without confusion or wasted time. DLC stands for downloadable content, and many Steam games offer expansions, bonus missions, cosmetics, or full story add-ons that extend your gameplay experience. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple process step by step. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Steam tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open the Steam application on your computer and sign into your account. Once Steam loads, click on the library at the top of the window. This section shows all the games you own. Find the game you want DLC for and click on it to open the game page. On this page, look under the play or install button where you will see a section called DLs. Click the DLC tab to view all available downloadable content for that game. Browse the list and choose the DLC you want to install. When you select it, Steam will show an option to add it to your cart. Click Add to Cart, then continue to the payment screen. Choose your payment method, complete the purchase, and Steam will automatically add the DLC to your game. After that, the content installs and becomes available the next time you launch the game. If this helps, subscribe.